Hi, good afternoon to you all. Yeah. Thank you so much for choosing to sit here and listen to us, listen to what Samsung does for retail, because Samsung per se, everybody thinks it's a mobile company, it's like a CE company, and what does it do for retail? Yeah. So we've got quite a bit of solutions, products, and services for retail, and we've done quite a bit of work, right? So today what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you what our perception of retail is and what are the products and services and what are the case studies that we have done in last about 6 years. Okay? So I'm sorry I have to get down and reach out to you before we start. Okay, so let me go through the retail trends. The key retail trends today is that if you look at the customer, right? The customer has become more and more information driven, right? And it has become more and more, experience oriented, right? When I say customer is information driven, he needs lots of informations, right, to make a purchase decision, right? So if today one wants to buy a mobile phone, the customer today, he accesses quite a bit of information from internet, from magazines, from reviews, from TV, He actually goes through various digital content available. And he consumes the digital content that is available in the space today, right? Now, apart from that, if you look at it, he also actively participates in the social media, contributes in the social media, right? Now, being in Samsung today, nobody knows, the pain that we go through, in creating the differentiation against 180 mobile brands existing in this country, right? There are about 180 mobile brands that are existing in this company. We at Samsung know the pain, right? And we are continuously innovating. We are continuously innovating to differentiate ourselves in the retail space. Right. On the experience-oriented, right, there are various attributes. The research says that there is single most attribute, which is the in-store experience, right? The in-store experience stands out as a single most attribute which contributes heavily on the shopper's advocacy, right? Now, this is something that was strange. In 2009, when we started our digital signage business, in 2009, there was this company which came from South. It's a cinema house. Who are there from Chennai? Anybody from Chennai? Okay, you would know the Satyam Cinema, right? Satyam Cinema is one of the largest chain there in terms of cinema, right? And they adopted digital signage very, very heavily. They were the first company to adopt digital signage. And then the Inox and the PVRs and the rest followed, right? Today itself, right, Satyam Cinema is regarded as one of the key installations worldwide, right? Just to give you a look at this, if you see on the left-hand side, if you see there's a manless counter, right? They created a manless counter with touch screens, and you could actually select your seats, swipe your credit card, take the tickets, and get into the cinema. If you see on the right-hand side, they created a wow factor. This is the largest media pole in Asia, which is made out of 178 panels. One needs to go and see it and have that wow factor when he enters into the cinema, right? So they have been continuously improving. The new cinema which is coming up in Chennai, they have improved, and I won't divulge the facts. There is something which is coming up which is great, right? Which is out of the world. Now, having said the consumer's preference, right? Let me talk our understanding of what the retailer should be doing, right? This is our understanding, right? Our understanding is that the retailer should be creating an accessible, right, interactive, differentiated, and convenient in-store experience. That means that we should provide as a retailer, enough information to the customers for them to make a purchase decisions, create a system in which they get information through various channels, a differentiated channel, create an engaging content, an interactive content for them, right? And create an environment for the shopping experience, right? So what we thought was that, we have put together a digital signage solution, right? This is one of the solutions that are available to create and enhance the shopping experience, right? The Samsung digital signage solution, right? It actually encompasses all these, right? It creates the accessibility, the differentiation, the convenient and the interactiveness available. Now, for example, any of the digital signage application, right? What's important is that it should be workable, right? Now, for example, in 2010, Yum Restaurant, they implemented the digital signage in KFC, right? Their solution is purely based on the right-hand side, what you say. They have a remote control and maintenance. They manage all contents from Gurgaon. Even if there is a store in Pune, the content is delivered from Gurgaon, right? The real-time capability, they can real-time change the contents, right? So all that you see on the right-hand side is managed by the digital signage. Yeah? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to stop here and play you a video, right? After that, I'm going to go through a real lifetime experience on this.